We picked out a candle.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to the vlog. On today's vlog, we are going to Obi and I go back to the place that I got his boots from, because the fitting was not right. It just, the style of it just looked off. It looked too big, so he wanted to go exchange that. So that is where we're headed now. And also, I think that same building has an IKEA outlet, so we're also going to check it. We're already trying to order our sofa, but unfortunately the IKEA outlet closest to us doesn't have it in store, so we want to see if this other one will have it. So enjoy the vlog.
And what color were you looking for?
Just the color.
Just this big. Okay. And were you looking for anything else, or just the one item?
Just that one.
Okay, just that one. So could I get a
Two doors. Perfect. On the right.
Hi guys, so I've not even talked to you the camera since we've been out and we just got back. I think the time is past 5 now, even though it looks like the time is past 7 or so. So we went to exchange all these winter boots. The ones I picked out were too big. So we went to get something else and changed it. And we also went to IKEA to see if they will have the sofa we want at that outlet, but they didn't, so the search continues. And we also stopped by our friend's new kitchen, that's Chef Mayor. So he just opened, his new kitchen, and they had like a soft launch today. So we ordered us some chicken suya. So we ordered some chicken suya. You guys, I just want to go and have my bath. Come on, relax. Okay, so this is the suya and rice. Oh, so that's all for today. Oh, okay, you guys, let me show you what we got from Home Sense. We picked out a candle, you guys. Self-care about to be lit. You guys, let me cover you here. So when we swapped all these shoes, we also checked out the candle section at Home Sense, and we picked out a candle. This one is Fire Glow, Sandalwood. Um, you guys, I have stuffed nose, so stuffy nose. So I don't know. I'm not quite a fan of this scent, but Obi said it's nice. I'm thinking it's because of my catarrh. That's why I'm like saying it's too strong, but we'll see. So I've been having catarrh and sore throat, kinda. So I'm going to try this. I was looking for like any mental stuff, but I didn't find. But Obi just came and he got this. So I want to try it. So this is it. You guys, this thing tastes like cough syrup. So I'm supposed to dissolve two in my mouth slowly, one at a time. Maximum of 24 lozenges. I don't know how to pronounce that word. Paddy. Yeah. So I guess it's like stressful. So good morning guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're starting slow because the girl is not feeling fine. This catarrh just eats me harder over the night, and I'm just trying to recuperate and just take things that will comfort me, hot cup of tea and all of that, mental and all of that. So that's it. So I have a video going live in a couple of hours. I'm excited. You guys, we are currently on 940 something, 43 subscribers. I feel like by tomorrow we'll be celebrating 1K, and I'll be like, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. You guys that have just joined, thank you so much for clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for joining the clan. Thank you for joining the fam. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much to all my commenters. I really do appreciate you. God bless you. God grant you our desires as you are being used to grant my heart's desires. Amen. Hi guys, so this is evening time, sun kissed, and I am making dinner. So these are the Irish potatoes, and this is my pepper mix for the egg sauce. Good morning, guys. I was just watching Telemundo, nothing serious. So, yesterday was very, so hopefully today I get to do a lot. Today I wasn't feeling my best yesterday, so I couldn't get anything done yesterday. So I just want to fix myself breakfast, or I'm just fixing myself breakfast. I need to warm this rice. I made rice. I'm having it with some of the chicken vegetable stir fry that I made. So I'm going to just warm that up now. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great. The weather has been fine, but I still have my catarrh though. What else? So I have a lot to do. So I just wanted to pop in here because I don't know, yesterday was just, I didn't do anything yesterday. I didn't get to vlog so much yesterday because I was not myself. So I just decided to say hello and what's up, what's good. And I hope that I get to be very productive today. That is the plan. So trying to prepare for Vlogmas. I have so many ideas, but I have some constraints as well. Hopefully it turns out good. Yeah, so I just wanted to say hello, guys. Now let us eat and watch.